Hello everybody, my name is Anamika Singh and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can record a demo video and how you can make your demo look perfect so that you get selected in a single shot. Now I'm sure some of you would be wondering like why do we need to record a demo and why do we need to see a video on how to record another video. So let me tell you, like, I know some of you would be aspiring to become, an online tutor in XYZ organization in a particular edtech company, okay, whatever it is. So nowadays, these companies have started taking online demos, okay. So if you talk about their recruitment process or their entire screening process, so they take online demos, then obviously they take a written test for, checking your conceptual knowledge. Then some companies even take offline demos, okay, so that after you get selected, after your interview and everything is done, so they will call you in their headquarters or any particular office, and there you will have to present a particular topic in front of a bunch of people, right? And obviously you will have to answer their queries at the end of the session and whatever it is, like the the drill, right? So yes, so in this video, we will be talking about the online demo, okay? So obviously these companies, not all of them, but most of them, start demanding for online demos because at the end of the day, like after you get selected, you will have to teach like in front of the camera, right? So they just want to judge like whether, you can teach nicely in front of the camera, or, you shouldn't be that camera conscious. How is your body language? Is it like really restricted or, it is comfortable, you feel comfortable in front of the camera communicating with others. So all of these parameters can be judged only when either they see you in front of like them, or either they can see your video. So yes, this is the reason why like you need to ace in your demo video so that you can just record one perfect demo and then you can apply and submit it all the places you want to apply, right? So it's always better to have multiple options rather than just applying it one place and then waiting and waiting. What if they do not revert, right? So it's always better to apply at multiple positions. So obviously your probability of getting selected and your probability of hearing back from them is more. So yes, this was the whole purpose of making this video, so that I can share some tips and the do's and don'ts of the demo, and how you can make that one perfect demo video, how you can select a particular topic so that this particular demo can be used in different organizations for the tutoring profile, right? So yes, I will be sharing all of that in this video. So if you are interested in knowing the same, I will suggest you to keep watching this video till the end. So first things first, let's talk about how you can select a topic so that you can use that demo at multiple openings, right? So yes, if I talk about science, I will be talking about science only because I don't have much idea about the maths portion, right? So if I talk about science, so yes, science has biology, chemistry and physics. So first let's talk about biology. So like if you want to submit your demo on any particular biology topic, so I will suggest you to select a topic from human physiology. Now human physiology has chapters like circulatory system, excretory system, respiratory system, you can say nervous system, all of these, and digestive system as well. So all of these systems you can say come under human physiology, and the probability of finding these these topics in their syllabus is more, okay, because these are very important topics, okay, and they are considered most complex ones, right? So I will suggest you to choose any of these topics to make your demo. Also I have made a demo and I have uploaded my recorded demo in this channel, so I will put the link here so that you can click onto it and you can go and check it out. Now that demo was recorded quite back, okay, so obviously it is not the perfect one, but like you can just go check it out and take a cue from it. You can just understand that how you have to make yourself comfortable, how you can like how you can look a little less camera conscious. Like I am camera conscious, but right now you won't be able to understand that I am camera conscious, or even if you will watch that demo, you won't be able to judge. You would be like, okay, she's very comfortable with the camera, but it's not like that. So yes, you should, like, if you don't know how to do it, then just fake it, okay? So yes, what I was talking about, I randomly get distracted from the topic. Yeah, so I was talking about the demo. So you can just check it out and you can see how you can keep your body language a little more comfortable and not restricted. Okay, so I will put that video here. Now we were talking about the topic. So yes, you can select any of these topics. So my demo was on circulatory system, right? So I uploaded it, that you can go check it out. Now let's talk about the topics of chemistry. If you want to be a chemistry tutor, so you can choose topics like chemical reaction, you can choose topic metals and non-metals. Okay, so these are the most common topics which I have found in the syllabus of different organizations, right, or edtech companies. Then if I talk about physics, so I would say the most common topic in physics that I have come across is motion. Okay, so you can just go and prepare a topic on motion, and I will be putting more of these topics in the, you can say, the comment section or in the description box. So if you want to know more about the different topics you can choose, so you can visit the comment box. Yes, yeah. So yeah, that was about it. So now let's talk about what should be the attire. Now see, they are obviously not going to reject your demo based on your attire, but if your attire is, you can say, good, so obviously it is going to give some extra points. It is going to add up to whatever marks they have given for your demo, right? And so I would say that obviously try to wear formals, but you have to keep a few things in mind. Like if we talk about the colors, so try to choose I would say dark shades or neutral shades. Like in dark shades you can wear black, you can wear navy blue, or you can wear indigo. Then you can also wear dark grays. Okay, and if we talk about neutrals, so there you can select beige, you can wear white, you can wear off-white, you can wear peach, or you can wear any pastel shades. Okay, so this was about the colors. Now let's talk about the pattern. Okay, so try to wear solid tees, or you can say solid top, solid kurti, solid shirts, whatever you're wearing, and avoid wearing prints or patterns or geometric patterns, or you can say stripes, horizontal, vertical stripes, checks. So avoid wearing these, because obviously when you're recording a video, so obviously it creates some kind of distortion. Like you will not come to know about it, but you will see that there's something off with this person, something's looking off about this video. So yes, these are these minute details that you need to keep in mind. Okay, so try to select solid colors. Okay, then if you talk about what should you wear, so I would suggest you to wear shirts, or you can wear formal t-shirts kind of thing, semi-formal things you can also wear. Then you can wear kurta, kurti, whatever it is. Then if you have a blazer or a coat, so I would suggest you to put that coat on, because that just amps up to your look. Okay, it just makes you look so neat, clean, and makes you look really attractive. So it just amps up your look in just a second. So if you have a blazer, you can wear that. Okay, and if you don't, then it's okay. Now let's talk about the camera positioning. Okay, so as you can see, like in this frame, okay, so not a lot of part of my body is visible, only the upper part is visible, right? And my head is also visible. Like there should be gap between your head and the frame. Okay, so it shouldn't be like this. Okay, if it is like this, so obviously that wouldn't be considered like a good video, because half of your head, not half, but a portion of your head is not visible. So just make sure that it is like this. This is the perfect frame, and record it in landscape. Do not record it in portrait. Okay, so yes, this was about the camera positioning, and make sure that the camera you're using has good quality. It records good quality videos. Now I know some of you would be wondering, you can record this demo either verbally, you can record it with the help of using the pen tab or presentation or something like that, but it actually depends on on the company, you can say, guidelines. So if they're asking for just a verbal demo, so you will have to record verbally, like I'm doing it right now. If they ask for a demo in which you can use a presentation, you can use a pen tab, you can use a blackboard, whiteboard, whatever it is, so you can make that. But usually what happens is that they give relaxation, they give choice to the candidates that you can choose accordingly. If you want to make demo using the presentation, you can do that. If you want to make demo using the whiteboard, blackboard, so you can do that, or you can record your demo verbally also. So usually this is the condition. So I would suggest you to record your demo verbally. If the topic you have chosen could be explained really good verbally, so make a verbal demo, because verbal demos are usually acceptable at all places. Okay, so this was about it. Now yes, I was talking about the camera. Yeah, I again got distracted. Yes, so if you are recording it in your, you can say, laptop, so it happens sometimes that the camera, the quality of your laptop camera is not that good. So I have a trick, okay, in which you can turn your webcam, like you can use your phone and you can use it as a webcam. Okay, so you will not be using your laptop's camera, you can directly use your phone as a webcam, and you can record your video, so it will look like you are using a webcam and not a phone. okay, and you can record it in your laptop. So yes, there's a trick. If you want to know about that trick, you can just comment down below and let me know. I will post a separate video for that trick, right? So yes, this trick comes in handy whenever your laptop camera is not working, okay? So you can use it in meetings, you can use it in recording demos or any sorts of videos, right? So yeah, that was about the camera positioning and everything. Now let's talk about the body language, okay? So just make sure that your body is not restricted to one place. You shouldn't, stick to one place and then teach. And you shouldn't also, roam everywhere and teach, okay? Because it looks very distracting. But you can, use some hand gestures, you can make use of some expressions, you can have voice modulation, right? So, because see, you are teaching online, you are recording a video online, so if someone is teaching in front of you, that is more entertaining, or you can say not exactly entertaining but more engaging to the audience. But if you are watching a video, so obviously that person cannot come out of the video and present themselves, right? So for that, to create a good engagement between the viewers, or you can say the audience, and the person who is speaking, okay, so you can make use of little hand gestures, okay? Then you can give expressions like I'm doing right now. I mean, don't go over the board with the expressions, okay? You can give subtle expressions. Then also you should have voice modulations in your voice, right? It shouldn't be monotonous like you are speaking blah 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 blah, not like this. It should have some high pitch, low pitch, okay? So something like that. So yes, this is how your body language should be. It shouldn't be very restricted, it shouldn't be very like all over the place, right? Now let's talk about the way of explanation, okay? So whatever you're delivering, whichever topic you're delivering, make sure that you are trying to cover the maximum portion of that topic in that video, okay? So I would suggest you to make a video of 15 minutes, I would say, okay, and make it in such a way. For example, if an X company is demanding for the demo which should be of the length of, I would say, 10 minutes, okay, so make that video in such a way so that you can crop those the rest of the 5 minutes out of that video, and that video will still look complete. It wouldn't look incomplete. And I will tell you to select a topic, like subtopic. Obviously, if you are planning to make a video on respiratory system, you cannot teach everything in that particular video, right? In those particular 15 minutes, it's impossible. Like, you have to explain the things in the demo and not just read out the things, and you can say, you just don't have to give a line by line description. You have to describe it properly. So for that, obviously you won't be able to explain the entire concept in 15 minutes or 20 minutes, right? So you can select one subtopic out of that respiratory system, okay? You can select the different volumes, okay? Then you can select either the organs which are involved in respiration, or you can select how the exchange of gases occurs, how respiration is related with circulation. Okay, so you can choose any subtopic from that broad topic which can be covered in that particular video, right? So make sure you do something like that. Then try to explain that particular topic in good amount of detail, okay? Don't briefly end it, because obviously they are not going to judge you on your concept. You can say what is your concept knowledge, because obviously no one can judge you with that one topic, that how good are you with concepts, okay? Because anyone can mug up and come here and talk about it. But you should, for that, there's a separate test. There could either be a written test, or could be an interview where the interviewer will ask you questions on different topics. But make sure that whichever topic you're choosing, you explain it properly, okay? And you shouldn't be, the pace of your explanation should be, I would say, moderate, okay? It shouldn't be too fast, it shouldn't be too slow that the person who is watching will get just bored and it becomes monotonous for that person, right? So it should have a particular moderate pace. Yeah. Then let's talk about the language. So if I talk about language, try to make it in purely in English, okay? Because English is acceptable everywhere. If you make it in Hindi or in in any other language, so there are chances that the company which you are applying, for which you have made that particular video, is demanding the demo in English. So make sure that you make demos in English so that it can be used widely, it can be used at multiple places, because obviously English is acceptable everywhere. Yeah, so that was about the language. Then obviously I talked about the pace and everything. Also, try to be conceptually correct. Do not say anything which is controversial, which you are not sure about, okay? So if there is something you're not very sure about, just skip that particular line or topic from that demo. One more thing, make sure that you do not make any grammatical errors, okay? Because obviously if you're going to make a grammatical error, the person who is going to, audit your demo, or the person who is going to see your demo will be very easily able to say that this person doesn't know grammar, like basic grammar. So make sure you do not make any grammatical errors, do not make any conceptual errors, and all the things which I discussed, all the don'ts which I discussed in this video, make sure you do not repeat any of them in your demo. One more thing which I would like to tell you is that obviously, like, when you have the freedom to record, so you can obviously record and edit the entire video, and then you can combine all of that, and then you can upload. But I will suggest you to make that video in one go, because if you are going to edit that video, obviously the person is going to know, because there are going to be multiple cuts in between, right? So make sure, and it doesn't seem right, okay? Because when you will be teaching, the demos, or I would say the sessions, are not going to be recorded, right? Obviously they are going to be live sessions. So there you cannot make use of these cuts and everything. So make sure you make that demo in just one go, okay? You will have to just mug up or understand that entire topic, and then you try to deliver it for continuously for 15 minutes, okay? So that was all about today's video. I hope you found these do's and don'ts helpful, and this will help you in making a good demo, and you can use that demo at different places. And I hope, like, if you record a demo using these tips, I hope that you get selected. So yes, that was all about today's video. I will see you next time. Bye.